just had to give y'all a view. I know I can't make a video now without showing the truck. She's dirty already though, but that's just part of that wildlife, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good. Waiting for this damn rain to go away. So absolutely. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I hope y'all are having another good day. Bringing y'all some more content. Today's video, you do not want to miss this video. I'm telling you, if you skip a part in this video, you're gonna mess yourself up because you're gonna miss out on something. You're gonna be reading through the comment section, and next thing you know, you're gonna see somebody else being like, thanks bro, you helped me out so much. Okay, so please, like always, check out the video, thumbs it up, because I want as many people as possible to see it. I want all my subscribers to be able to see it, all new people to be able to see it, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video because I have a lot of information to go over, and I'm not going to try to make this a super long video, so it would do me the favor if y'all would go ahead and smash that thumbs up. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started, guys. So we got a lot of stuff to talk about. First things first is the status of the truck, what's going on. Okay, so first things first with the truck. Today is what, February 25th, Tuesday. I don't even know what day of the week it is. Tuesday, Cameron Piggott, officially entered my truck into its first truck show competition. I'm extremely pumped. It's the first time I've ever done this. I'm nervous but excited at the same time. Okay, you guys, a couple of y'all know that have been watching the videos in the past that I was going to be attending the Music City Showdown truck event down in Nashville, Tennessee between April 3rd to April 6th. It's a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday event. I went ahead and got reserved for a VIP spot, which is going to have it's 100 trucks total, and it's going to consist, or I think it's 300 spots. It's either 100 or 300 spots. I don't remember, but it's going to consist of a truck judging event. Okay, they're going to have 25 different categories to choose from. I'm not going to say what category I'm trying to win because I'm just trying to go there and see what I can do. But anyways, I'm extremely excited. We got a lot of stuff to do. We got like a little over a month to get this truck to the way I want in my brain it to look in person. Now, I know you're probably already saying, well, bro, take the truck now. It looks great. You'll be fine, but I gotta put that little icing on the cake, you know what I'm saying? Just gotta make it look right just a little bit more. All right, we're almost there. All right, so what does that entail? We got to get a lot of stuff done. We got to get this 8-inch lift kit on. We got to undercoat the frame because I am going to be undercoating the frame, not fully, like I ain't taking the bed off and all that, but I will be coating the frame black again. We got that lift kit. What are we waiting on for the lift kit? Well, my man Kevin over at Ran That Ironworks already sent out the control arm brackets that I needed. He got that to me super fast. I was super excited for that. We got to get the track bar brackets finished getting welded on from my man Kevin over at Full Send Diesel, and then we got to get the lower control arm bracket welded to the frame as well. So be on the lookout for that video soon. You don't want to miss none of this stuff. Okay, now we got that stuff. Still got to do stuff. I'm not gonna lay everything out, but we got interior stuff to do, and I plan on Raptor lining my truck bed. Now, a lot of my OG subscribers way back when I first started, if you remember, I Raptor lined my bed liner probably before everybody else thought it was cool. But I did Raptor line my bed myself. It came out phenomenal. But 2 years later, and beating the hell out of the bed, I kept crap back there for almost a year straight with the camper shell on, hunting, hauling crap, whatever. It got some nicks on it, so I want that to be pristine before I get down to that truck show. We're going in the right direction. Everything's going good. Super excited. So with that being said, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be showing you guys a lot. I got a crap ton of stuff in the garage behind me or in front of me that I'm going to be going through, showing you guys and talking about. All right, so stick around, sit back, enjoy, crack a cold one, warm up a plate of food, popcorn, because you don't want to miss it. So I figured I would start from here. So we're pretty much going to be working from here all the way over there. So coming in, first things up, we have a carbon glass sealant that we're going to be applying to the truck's windshield and rear window. All right, what this is pretty much an equivalent of ceramic coating, but for your glass. So super good company, Detailing Image, or not Detailing Image. I can't think of the name right now, but I'm going to have a video on this solely for them. I paid for this. It's not sponsored, none of that stuff. It's just, when I make that video, I was really impressed with how they carried out their business, and I felt like they deserved the recognition for that. All right, so we got windshield coating. First time purchasing from Gino's Garage. They actually sent me a little pack of popcorn. This is popcorn. I thought this was like a catalog when I first saw it, but it's popcorn. I went ahead and ordered an easy drain valve for the oil. We are going to be doing an AMSOIL oil change here soon, and also taking some oil samples for another cool video for you guys. But this is pretty much going to replace the standard drain plug. Screw it in. It comes with a little valve, and then I bought a little dust cover for it. You just screw the dust cover on right there to keep dust out of it. And I bought an extra O-ring, but I think the O-ring, it needs to go on there, so I'm pretty sure that O-ring is going to go on there. So we got that video on this in conjunction with the oil change a long time ago, like a couple weeks ago. My man Adrian hooked it up, sent us out some Signature Series heavy duty diesel oil, and I got some more oil down here in the box down there. Okay, so after that, now this one here is going to be probably tomorrow's video. A company by the name of Jam Handles was nice enough to send us out some jam handles. 2 of them, and they're aluminum. These are polished aluminum. So super pumped for that. I'm actually currently wearing the freaking t-shirt right now. I don't know if some of you guys noticed it, but I'm repping the t-shirt. Jam Handle family, thank you guys so much for working with the channel and allowing me to rep your merch and be able to display your product. It's gonna be an awesome video. I appreciate it a lot. I know we recently got some forged wheels. I've been experimenting with all sorts of wheel polishes. I already got Zephyr's Pro 40. But I went ahead and ordered some Zephyr's Pro 25, and it comes with a microfiber rag. So far right now, for me, the best deal I'm finding online for wheel polish, if anybody out there with polished wheels is looking, eBay. I got the bottle, 16-ounce bottle, and a microfiber rag. I think I paid 21 bucks, free shipping. It got here in 2 days off of eBay. Dude's based out of El Paso, Texas. So got the wheel polish there. A company by the name of Americana Global, Inc. They were kind enough when I reached out to them, and I'm about to talk about some stuff on the side after this. I reached out to them, and they were kind enough to send me a almost full lineup of their products, and they even sent these awesome little sprayers with them too. So expect the video going down here, and I'm going to be going through, and it won't be all of them at one time, but I'll make a video where it'll consistently consist of most of this stuff here. But be on the lookout for that, because that's going to be pretty fun. I love detailing. I love clean cars, clean trucks and stuff. So definitely looking forward to that. Just like I said earlier, my man Kevin over at Ran at Ironworks fabbed up the control arms brackets. So we're good on that. Everything is painted suspension wise. Long arms, sway bar, springs. Only thing not painted yet is the sway bar end links, or rod ends, however you want to call them. The other ones are over here. Rear track bars got painted. Front upper control arms got painted, and then I got the other one hanging over there. So we're making moves. We're making strides. We're getting there closer, you guys. It's slowly coming together, and I can't wait. You guys, so I'm going to take a second and talk about this. It's not going to be long, but I wanted to get this out and the message across, okay? Hopefully if you made it to this part, because if you made it to this part, you're about to ride out like a bandit, hopefully. So you guys know I'm not no big time YouTuber. I'm pretty small. We're sitting at 13,000 strong in the channel, which I'm extremely grateful for, and we'll take that by any means necessary, because as you guys know, y'all are the best fans I can ask for. I love doing videos on this channel. That's why I keep making videos. So in return, companies that are willing to work with a small time YouTuber like myself, it means a lot to me, because they're willing to put their brand, their product, and send me something out to test it out for them, or to make a video on. So I take a lot of pride in making videos for companies and recommending their products on my channel, because one, you guys know me, I'm a big stickler, and I will not recommend anything on my channel that I would not put in my own truck. And I've had a lot of companies, Chinese companies, India companies, a couple American companies hit me up talking about, hey, we want to sponsor you and do all this stuff, but I wasn't feeling their products, okay? So I just want you guys to know, when I put a new partner on the channel, I'm not doing it because of business. I'm not doing it because I just want to push numbers and sales. No. I'm doing it because this is stuff I would truly use on my truck, okay? Prime example, jam handles. Tomorrow's video is going to be me installing the jam handles. So now you know what tomorrow's video is going to be, so make sure you watch it. But anyways, yes, so it means a lot to me. And one thing I always try to do is I try to get something back for you guys. So whether it's a promo code or some type of promotional going on, something, okay? Now I'm about to drop another teaser for future upcoming videos, okay? So what I have on my phone, I actually had to make a list because I couldn't remember all of it off the top of my head. I have a list of all the companies that are working with me currently, and you can get a discount from, okay? And I will have all the discounts listed down below, and some of them already are. New ones, like recently, put it, somewhere on the screen, but I'll also have it listed down below, okay? So right off the bat, number one is going to be Jam Handle. Jam Handle, like I said, thank you so much for sending out the handles. You can save 20% off a Jam Handle order using code Everythang space Diesel. So the channel name, so Everythang space Diesel saves you 20%, not 10, not 15, not free shipping, 20% on Jam Handles, which is a phenomenal deal because the Jam Handles are actually already affordable, okay? Second, if you didn't know already, if you never read the comment section, MDC Diesel, you can go ahead and save, what is it, $100, okay, $100 on a second gen turbo swap kit for your 6.7 or 5.9 Cummins, or a direct drop-in replacement turbo. So yes, you Power Stroke and Duramax cats, you can use this code as well. MDC Diesel, a lot of people used it. They're extremely happy. I'm glad you guys are loving your turbos, and I'm glad you're able to save some money. No company, and I mean this when I say it, there is not a company out there, and I don't want to call people out, but you can't go to no company that sells a Borg Warner turbo. Really, I don't care who it is. Really Custom Fabs. I'm just being real. I'm being real. I'm being a straight shooter right now. That has a code where you can save $100 on a turbo kit. Unheard of. Made in America, made in Texas, 100% authentic, no Chinese bullshit. I've been running my second gen swap turbo for almost 2 years now and haven't had an issue out of it. All right, so I'll let that do the talking. And we got another turbo over here, the 472, we still haven't even put on yet. Okay, Amsoil. Amsoil products, you guys can get an automatic 10% discount code. If you go through my man Adrian, his contact information is down below. Email, phone call, text message. He will hit you up. He will get you some oil faster than it'd probably take you to drive to the store and bring it back to the house. All right, I'm just kidding. Don't hold me to that. But yes, so we got that for Amsoil, 10% off. My man Kevin over at Full Ascent Diesel right now, I believe his code is 10% off. But use my code Everythang Diesel, so Everythang space Diesel, and it should, I believe, save you 10%, if not 15. Don't quote me on that though, or maybe 5. I don't remember. But you will save money if you go to Full Ascent Diesel and order something off his website. Okay. Next one. Now this one is a new one, and I don't even have the product in yet because it's in transit. But I figured since I'm talking about all of these companies that I might as well mention them. PPE was nice enough to send us out to the channel a transpan, a deep dish transpan, and a rear diff cover, okay, a brushed one, aluminum. So with that, I hit them up and I was like, hey, is there any way chance you guys can give me a discount? They said absolutely. So PPE, we have a discount code. It's going to be Everythang Diesel with a space again, and that's going to save you 5%, or I'm sorry, not 5, 15% off of, let me see how I got that, 15% off until March 31st. So Everythang Diesel, 15% off on PPE, deep dish transpan, or a rear diff cover, okay? Last but not least, Rannet Ironworks. You guys have been killing me a long time asking if I have a promo code with Kevin for Rannet. I finally do. It's been a minute, but we got one, okay? Because I know a lot of you guys want to order track bar, steering, all sorts of stuff. So pretty much Everythang Diesel subscribers, 5% off all orders on his website, okay? You're saving, it's money, it's something, you know what I'm saying? I mean, that little 5% might cover shipping or something like that, okay? So those are the codes we currently have. If I'm missing anything, I'll definitely have it down below in the description box. Like I said, I take extreme pride in companies that are willing to work with me, especially because I like to consider myself a small-time YouTuber compared to other YouTubers. It means a lot to me when a company's willing to work with me, and it shows that they believe in the dream, the vision, you know what I'm saying? They could have easily not responded to my emails like all the other companies I've reached out to that never respond to me, but they didn't. So I'm grateful for them. That's why when I make products or videos for their products, I try my best to make it the highest quality, excellent video. That way they like it, fans like it, you guys like it, and you know, it shows a good image for everybody and everybody wins. And I try my best to get a promo code too, okay? So hopefully you guys like those codes. You didn't skip out in any part of this video, because if you did, you extremely missed out, but I'm sure you guys didn't, because you guys are awesome. No complaints. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up, and then like always, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think about the video. Let me know if you guys are using the codes, if they're working. You know, let me comment down in the comment section, or shoot me a message on Instagram. Let me know that, you know, everything's good. One thing I also would like to try to start getting up is if you do have an Instagram account and you're using the codes and stuff, tag me in it. Tag me and stuff, okay? You guys can tag me on Instagram. People do it already. You guys know who you are that be tagging me on Instagram and stuff. But tag me on Instagram. I'll repost it on my Instagram. You can ask people in the comment section, do I respond to them? I respond to like 98% of all my comments. There are a couple onesies and twosies, they just get lost. They like, I get a lot of messages, so they do get lost sometimes. But you know, tag me in them. I'll repost them on my channel or on my Instagram page. You know, maybe you'll get a couple followers added to your page. Who knows, okay? So, with that being said, you guys, take it easy. Be safe. Peace out. Have a good week. And I will see you guys tomorrow in the Jam Handle install and review.